Hey guys, so today I got a flat tire on my car, and it was the screw in the top came off, so it started to leak. And unfortunately, I didn't have my repair kit with me, so I had to put on the spare. But I have this handy spare kit I got from Harbor Freight. It was like $5. It comes with the plugs, this thing to make the hole a little bit bigger so the plug can fit, some rubber cement, and then this little guy is a razor to slice it off, the access rubber. So after you take the screw out, or the nail, or whatever it is, you're first gonna remelt the hole, make it a little bit bigger with this guy. Second, you're gonna put a little bit of the rubber cement on there. I like it because it lubes it up a little bit and it makes it easier to press down. If you have this kit handy, you don't even need to take the tire off. But in my case, I didn't have the kit handy, so I had no choice. You do not want to drive on the tire when it's flat, because you will damage the side. And if you have sidewall damage, the damage, the tire will be ruined. And my tire is still pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and repair it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill up the air probably up to like 50 psi. That way it's nice and hard and it'll be easier for me to plug it. Alright, so I put some air in it. See, my hole is there. Just gonna make the hole a little bit bigger. Just press this guy in. Twist it. Just bring it back and forth. Now that the hole's a little bigger, I'm gonna grab this guy. I've already put one through and folded it back. And get a better picture. So all I did is I put it through the eye and I folded it back. And now I'm gonna take some of this guy. So it can help me get through, and then it'll seal it. There we go. Pull this guy out. This guy in. You want it about halfway like that, and then just pull straight up. And that's it. So that's the access. Now you can get your razor blade. So I went ahead and took my razor blade that came with it, and I took off about that much. I like to leave a little bit sticking out like that. Once you start driving, it'll wear out evenly anyway. But once you have it plugged and you put the right amount of air inside, in my case it was 32 psi, take some water like so, just put it around it, look for bubbles. There's no bubbles, so that means this was successful. And I really want to stress the fact that you do not drive on a flat tire, because it will damage your sidewall, and the sidewall is the thinnest part of the tire, and the tire will be damaged. And if that happens, your chances are really high of it blowing out on you while you're driving on the freeway or something. So if you see that warning light, low tire pressure, I highly recommend you pull over and you put on a spare like I did, or you just go to a gas station and put in a lot of air till you can get it home or your nearest tire shop. I hope this video helps. Thank you guys for watching.